Omnichannel Marketing. Hey, Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about omnichannel marketing. I will be using iTool for this. Okay. So, let's start. Omnichannel marketing is a customer-centric approach that provides a seamless and consistent experience across all available channels, whether they are physical or digital. It's about breaking down silos and creating a unified customer journey, regardless of how or where a customer interacts with your brand. Here is a detailed explanation. Core concepts. Customer centricity. The focus is on the customer's experience, not just individual channels. Seamless integration. All channels are interconnected and work together to provide a cohesive experience. Consistency. The brand's message, voice, and experience are consistent across all channels. Data-driven. Customer data is used to personalize experiences and optimize interactions. Channel agnostic. Customers can move freely between channels without losing context. Key components. Integrated technology. Customer relationship management, CRM, systems. Marketing automation platforms. E-commerce platforms. Point of sale, POS, systems. Data analytics tools. Unified customer data. Creating a single view of the customer across all channels. Collecting and analyzing data on customer behavior, preferences, and interactions. Consistent branding and messaging. Maintaining a consistent brand identity across all touchpoints. Ensuring that the brand's message is aligned across channels. Personalized experiences. Using customer data to personalize interactions and offers. Tailoring content and messaging to individual customer preferences. Seamless channel transitions. Allowing customers to move seamlessly between channels. Providing a consistent experience regardless of the channel used. Examples of omnichannel marketing. Retail. Customers can browse products online, save items to a wish list, and then purchase them in-store. Customers can return online purchases in-store. In-store kiosks allow customers to browse and order products that are not available on the shelf. Mobile apps that provide in-store navigation and product information. E-commerce. Customers receive personalized email recommendations based on their browsing history. Customers can track their orders through a mobile app or website. Live chat support is available on the website and mobile app. Social media integration with shopping carts. Banking. Customers can access their accounts through a mobile app, website, or ATM. Customers can receive personalized financial advice through email or in-person consultations. Chatbots provide customer support on the mobile app and website. Benefits of omnichannel marketing. Improved customer experience, provides a more convenient and personalized experience. Increased customer engagement, fosters deeper connections with customers. Enhanced customer loyalty, builds stronger relationships and increases customer retention. Higher conversion rates, drives more sales and revenue. Better data insights, provides a comprehensive view of customer behavior. Increased brand consistency, reinforces brand message and identity. Challenges. Data integration, integrating data from disparate systems. Technology implementation, implementing and managing complex technology. Organizational silos, breaking down internal barriers between departments. Customer expectations, meeting the evolving expectations of customers. Measuring ROI, accurately measuring the return on investment. Omnichannel marketing is a strategic approach that requires a holistic view of the customer journey. By providing a seamless and consistent experience across all channels, businesses can build stronger relationships with their customers and achieve their marketing goals. That's the end. Now, you can check out my other videos.